Do you know Stephanie Williams and Serena Richards?
Yes, I do. I heard she's missing after the death of Stephanie.
Yeah. I heard you had a crush on Stephanie Williams, and Serena was your stumbling block there.
Ah. Crush.
Hey, come on, excuse me. Stephanie. Hey, come on. Hi, excuse me. Sorry for the inconveniences. Hi, pretty ones. Stephanie, can I speak to you in private?
Come, Wilson. Don't you know your class? Do you think she's one of those girls you mess around with in campus? Oh, no, please.
Stephanie.
So you decided to kidnap her as a revenge for not letting you have Stephanie?
Excuse me?
Yes?
Don't say that. I don't have a hand in her disappearance. Okay?
Sure?
100% sure.
If we find out that you are behind her disappearance, we will come back for you.
Exactly. All right. We'll leave it for now. Come in.
Well, I've not seen them. I'm yet to see them. I don't know. Oh, thank God you had thought. Have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Hi. Thank God for the work you've done. Go over and freshen up.
Madam, Your son here is responsible for the death of your daughter, Stephanie, and the disappearance of Serena.
What? What? Is that true?
Detective Stella, arrest this man. I am Detective Stella from the state CID.
Young man, you're under arrest for the murder of Miss Stephanie and the disappearance of Serena Richards. You have the right to remain silent, because whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law.
Tyra, the first day I saw you, I knew you were a bad guy. But you look so gentle and innocent. So tell me, how did it happen? Why did you kill your sister?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good, and you?
Fine. So how have you been now? Okay. Just that I missed you though. Yeah, I missed you. My dear, I'm not happy. Is it not that Charles? Can you believe I went to his house and I met him with another girl?
You're kidding me, aren't you?
Oh God, it's not funny. It's not funny.
I'm sorry about that. Not to worry, I'll come visit you at home, okay?
No, just forget about him. I told him in his miserable life that I shouldn't call my number again.
Alright. Yeah, I was actually thinking of asking you about the book. Hello?
My brother. What are you doing? Just don't know what's wrong with him. Don't mind that, but just don't mind that chance of the time. Just let's talk about this. What are you doing?
Hello, Stephanie. Are you okay? Yeah, I was talking about the book. Hello?
Oh, Tyler, what are you doing? Tyler!
Hello? Stephanie, are you okay? Tyra. Stephanie. What is going on there? Stephanie, talk to me. Are you okay? Stephanie. Hello? Stephanie. Hello, Stephanie, talk to me. Hello, are you okay? What's going on there? Hello? Jesus. Steph. Stephanie. Stephanie.
What have I done?
You are so wicked. Very, very wicked. Understand what?